So what are unvoiced consonant sounds? Which all sounds are unvoiced? Which all sounds are voiced? So the sound of letter F, K, P, T, all these are unvoiced. Like when you say cuffs, makes, talks, jumps, slaps, eats, visits, unearths. So the last consonant sound does not have that vibration. So these are unvoiced, like cuffs. So it is unvoiced. Make, it's unvoiced. Talk, jump, it's unvoiced. Now, with unvoiced, S makes the sound of letter S gives sound. But when it is voiced, like when you say b, b, you hear that vibration. D, you hear that vibration. G, l, r, u. So that vibration when comes, then S makes the sound of letter Z. Z. So grabs. It's not grabs, but it's grabs, stabs, stands, decides, bags, gags, feels, fails. Okay. Now, when does is sound comes? Okay. When does is sound comes? So, is sound comes when you have es. Es before any hissing sound like sh, sh. When you have hissing sound and after the hissing sound there is E and S, then it gives the sound of is, like chances, misses, passes, watches, judges. Is it clear?